Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Fogwing CMMS mobile application. In this video, we are going to see all the AI powered feature which we have included in Fogwing CMMS. So starting off with the first feature, which is the AI rewrite feature. So this particular feature is included in different modules and different places where the description or places where you can write is available. So currently we are going to see it into the execute work order module. So here with the help of Fogwin AI rewrite, you can instantly improve and restructure your text. For example, if you write any content within the action note, for example, so as you can see, I have entered the content into the action note, and you can see there is one highlighting rewrite with AI option which is available just above the action note. Once you click on that, so the AI will sort of restructure the content which you have written professionally and clearly, so that any kind of spelling mistakes or any punctuation which is not there, it could be a rewrite with the help of AI. So the next feature which we have included in Fogwing CMMS mobile application is the voice dictation feature, which is like a speech to text feature. So with the help of this AI powered voice dictation, maintenance team can simply speak into the mobile application, and the Fogwin CMMS would convert that speech into accurate work summaries instantly. So for example, if you click on this microphone options which you can see above the action note, a window will pop up. Here you have to tap onto that microphone option, and you can say whatever you want to say into the action note, and that will be captured here by Fogwin CMMS, and that would be converted from speech to text here. So as you can see, it is currently transcribing, and you can see whatever I have said is converted into the particular text format here. You just need to click on apply, and in this way you can, if the technicians or the engineers are not able to write, whether their hands are greasy or they are wearing gloves, they can use this particular feature in that particular scenario, so that the task would continue smoothly. So moving on to the next AI feature that we have included in Fogwin CMMS mobile application is the AI OCR meter reading feature. So this particular feature helps the technicians, engineers or operators which are working on the shop floor to accurately capture the metering value or the parameters that the particular teams wants to measure using their camera of the mobile phone. So basically you can take the photo of the metering value, and the Fogwin CMMS platform will capture that from that text, and the metering value would be filled just by scanning. So if you click on the camera option here, and if you take photo of the metering, I'm just using an image here, but you can take the actual metering value here, and if you click on this and take a photo of that and click on OK, the AI will process that particular image, and the exact value of the particular metering would be given out here. So as you can see here, the same value which we have seen in the image is captured here. So this is one way where the values are very critical, and it has to be accurately captured, and no human error should be accepted. That is where you can use this particular AI feature. So the next feature that we are going to talk about is the co-pilot feature that we have introduced in Fogwing CMMS mobile application. Earlier it was also a part of the web application, but now we have introduced into the uh, mobile application as well. If you can see here on the top right corner, if you click on that, you can see that we have introduced the co-pilot here. So this is acts like a knowledge repository, same as the web application, where you can ask any kind of questions related to maintenance to the co-pilot, and it will reply to that query of yours with particular answers here. So for example, if we ask any of the questions, so if you ask any of the questions, it will give out certain suggestions related to the particular question that you ask. So you can take up to this as a corrective action, and one by one you can troubleshoot that. So any kind of question related to fault or any information that you want, you can definitely come up to the co-pilot, and you can ask the question to the co-pilot, and it will help you in resolving that particular issue here. These are all the AI features that we have added in Fogwing CMMS mobile application. Stay tuned for such more AI features that are going to come in the next update of mobile application as well as web application. Thank you for watching this video.